Barangaroo House in Sydney. We opened December 16, so we opened and we were busy. Most businesses kind of grow up like that. We kind of went like that. People love it, and we have a real genuine sense of joy walking in now and seeing the satisfaction on the customers' faces. They're so happy to be here and they love it and they're coming back all the time. It feels great. We're overjoyed by it.
80% of the venue is outside. Making sure that our patrons are catered for and they're comfortable and they're warm for a great expense of the time is really important.
The great thing about Sydney is days like today, which are fabulous, and there's hardly any wind, and you can have every door that is operable open, and we just have our awnings out and it feels fabulous. Sydney also has days that aren't like this, so for us it was really making sure that if it was a cooler night outside, we put these great Bromic heaters in outside. We've still got our awnings that trap the heat in, but obviously being able to have glass line that was able to be closed to create the vibe inside, and obviously the warmth is really important in winter.
Yeah, I think the Bromic heaters were a really good solution because you actually cannot see them, yet they're here and they're really doing their job. It's really lucky that the technology can be so developed that you can have something that doesn't even look like it's here really.
When you look around, they're not something that's standing out. They sort of do disappear, and that view is what you're seeing. I'm not looking at a heater. So the fact that I know it's there, it's keeping people warm without having it impacting on their experience, except for the fact that they're inadvertently comfortable, perfect.